Hey everyone, Chris Stegall here with MK Partners. Welcome back to another one of our lead up to Dreamforce interviews with the team. Today I'm joined by Tom. Tom, why don't you tell us what you do here at MK Partners and how long you've been with us and working in Salesforce in general?
All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Tom Chun. I'm a developer here at MK Partners, and I have been working at MK Partners and within the Salesforce ecosystem for just shy of a year and a half now. Just developing Lightning Web components, custom components for clients, also working on Apex triggers that run calculations or updates to numbers or fields in your org. But that's just a basic overview of what I do on a daily basis.
Cool. And we've actually worked together before on that Field Snapper app.
Yeah.
As
And we have some videos on that as well. So
yeah.
they're online.
All right. Well, first question. The Winter 21 release came out a couple weeks ago. Is there a feature that was released there that you're a fan of?
I'd say maybe not a huge fan, but I find it necessary. They released a critical update for security, dealing with Apex or enabled classes. And I think Salesforce, like any good organization, wants to beef up security with their client orgs. And I think this just gave us one more way to restrict access to only the needed profiles to access Apex classes. So that way you can specifically adjust your security settings to only allow the necessary profiles to access, say, like a custom component that uses Apex. So it's not like org-wide. You can restrict it to admin profiles or specific user profiles. And I think that adds an extra layer of security. And the fact that they pushed a critical update to require that, I think is something that I find is a good idea.
Cool. Yeah. And then I guess last question, is there anything that you would like to see on the Salesforce roadmap for the future or in a future release?
So I know that there is something in development that I've heard about, which is a fully supported cloud-based code IDE in the browser, which is basically going to be like Visual Studio code, which we use as developers. And it's going to be fully in the browser, cloud-based. And I'm looking forward to that being released soon. I know that it was in testing, I think, earlier this year. But I think that will allow us as developers a lot of flexibility because you can just jump on to any computer, get on the browser, access code, edit code, anything from Lightning components to Apex test coverage. So I think that will add another layer of flexibility that you don't always have to be on the same computer to access all an org's code base per se and work on it. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to testing out when it gets released. I'm not sure if that's upcoming here on the horizon anytime soon, but that's something I'm excited for.
Yeah, it definitely seems like something that developers are excited for, because I think Angelo had the same answer for what he's looking forward to.
Oh, nice.
Everyone's tired of opening VS Code as a separate app, apparently.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for joining us today, Tom. Thank you, everybody, for watching. We'll have more interviews like this leading up to Dreamforce. And then once Dreamforce itself kicks off, I will be back with regular updates on the event. Thanks again, Tom.
Awesome. Thanks, Chris.
Have a great day, everyone.